The devastation after Hurricane Helene was just horrible.
After Hurricane Helene came through, we discovered that the creek behind us had overflowed its banks and flooded this area behind me completely. It was completely torn apart, and then continued on to the lower part of our fields where it destroyed our fall crop that was down there.
I mean, it's gone. It took all the topsoil down to the bedrock, and the creek turned and went down to a 5-acre field and took 4 foot deep, 150 foot wide topsoil and all.
The WNC Strong Youth Service Corps is helping to build resilient food and agricultural systems in Western North Carolina. Through paid internships, service work, and career readiness events, high school students gain hands-on experience, support disaster recovery, and strengthen their communities.
As a part of the regional farming network that has hosted many interns and apprentices in collaboration with CEFS and other organizations in the past, it was an obvious choice to partner with WNC Youth Strong this year to bring some local high schoolers into the work of rebuilding our gardens and feeding our communities.
I kind of expected the work to be a little bit laborious. I knew it was definitely going to be hot and wouldn't be the easiest job ever, but I knew it had a good reason, and I wanted to learn more about agriculture while helping small businesses out.
This field was definitely covered in water, and to think about that and how we still have all these crops that are growing here now is really it's beautiful, because being able to help them plant and harvest what we could is really a great feeling, because I know I'm making a difference.
Before this, I did not know just how much effort went into the vegetables I eat, you know? I thought there was a lot, you know, obviously, but I did not realize just how much physical labor there is.
Me siento orgullosa tanto como hemos ido a repartir a la comunidad de Brownsville, a las personas mexicanas, y me da mucho gusto, la verdad, que apoyé en algo que benefició tanto en la comunidad de aquí.
It's the feeling that you get back from saying, you know, I did something to help. You know, it was a really bad time to go through that. A lot of people got hurt, a lot of things got damaged, but it's a good feeling to get back and say, okay, well, I've done these steps and I've kind of just put my hand a tip into the water of trying to help and restore the community.
They've done a little of everything on the farm. They started transplanting in greenhouses. They've done everything, picked tomatoes, cucumbers, beans. They've done a little everything.
It's certainly brought awareness. I feel like where I'm, directly involved working at a farm, but it's gave me a little bit of that agriculture perspective, I guess you could say. So it's allowed me to kind of pick up and appreciate those things certainly more than I did before.
I think their work is bringing hope to each farmer. So I saw firsthand people come in and walk beside people who were overwhelmed, who had too much work for single individuals to do, and to bring back hope. And so I do feel like that is one huge thing that the Corps has brought to each farm that we've been able to work in, whether it was a one-day event or the ongoing help. And I think to redirect the farmers and the ag industries to realize that their purpose is more than just, growing things and providing those products, but they also have the opportunity to impact young lives and teach them things.
It's been very fulfilling. I mean, knowing that our hands are going to farming and agriculture that needs it, and it was hurt, quite a bit with the flood. So yeah, I mean, I'm very blessed to be able to do that and, help community agriculturally, that hopefully will have benefits in the future.
I think I'll take away the most from this internship is really just the importance of the food on your table, agriculture, how important it is not just for agriculture, but to help those in need during a time of devastation. I think it's important that everybody learns how to help others during hard times. You never know what's going to happen to you, and I think
That was the most important thing I learned, was learning to help others and not be so selfish.
You just work on a farm, help someone out. Then I got told it was about hurricane cleanup, and I was like, well, that means a lot of hard work, and that's all I need. Definitely made me very proud of myself and happy that I'm just helping others that need it.
The Service Corps is funded by a grant from the USDA's National Institute for Food and Agriculture and a generous contribution from the North Carolina Alliance for Health.